Assalamu alaikum dear cadets. Welcome to Borishal Cadet College online class program. I am Mohammad Kamaluddin Monir, lecturer in mathematics, Borishal Cadet College. Dear cadets, due to corona pandemic, our regular classes are not being held, but life will not stop. We must keep going on. So that I am here to take your class virtually. You know, due to corona pandemic, you are not here. So stay home and remain safe. To remain safe, you must wash your hands for 20 seconds, use a tissue for coughs, and avoid touching your face. Dear cadets, see the two figure. This is a figure of infinity, and this is one, and it is divided into many parts, infinite part. So today's lesson is infinite series. In your book, it is in chapter 7. Learning outcome. After studying this lesson, cadets will be able to explain the idea of sequence, identify the infinite series, explain the condition of existing the sum of an infinite geometric series, sum an infinite series, geometric series, transform a recurring decimal number into an infinite geometric series and express in fraction. Now, definition of series and sequence. A sequence is an arrangement of any objects or a set of numbers in a particular order followed by some rule. If A1, A2, A3, A4, etc. denote the terms of a sequence, then 1, 2, 3, 4 denotes the position of the term. A sequence can be defined based on the number of terms, that is either finite sequence or infinite sequence. If A1, A2, A3, A4 is a sequence, then the corresponding series is given by Sn equal to A1, A2, A3 plus An. Sum of infinite geometric series. Given a plus ar square plus ar cube plus is a geometric series, its first term is a and common ratio is r. This is a revision class, so I'll discuss shortly about it. If modulus of r less than 1, that is r is greater than minus 1 and less than 1, then the sum of the infinite series, sum of the given infinite series a plus ar plus ar square plus is equal to a by 1 minus r. For other values of r, the sum of the series does not exist. So, very important condition is modulus of r is less than 1. That is, minus 1 is less than r is less than 1. Now, a question. Find the sum, if it exists, of each of the following infinite geometric series. Question is 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.01 infinite. Solution. The first term of the series a equal to 1 and common ratio equal to 0.1 divided 1, that is 1 by 10, which is less than 1. So our condition is fulfilled. So we can find the sum. To find the common ratio, divide any term by its previous term. So r equal to 0.1 divided 1. This is second term divided by first term. Therefore, the sum to infinity of the series is S infinity equal to, formula is a by 1 minus r. Putting the value of a and r, we get 1 by 1 minus 1 by 10. It is equal to 10 by 9, equal to 1 to 1 by 9. This is our required answer. Now, transformation of repeating or recurring decimals in rational fraction. Express in rational fraction of the following repeating decimal, that is 1.231 recurring. Solution: 1.231 recurrent equal to 1.231 such equal to 1 plus bracket 0.231 plus 0.0000231 plus 0.60231 plus infinite. First bracket close. Here the series in the parenthesis is an infinite geometric series. Its first term a equal to 0.231 and common ratio r equal to 0.000231 divided 0.231 equal to 0.001. Therefore, 1.231 recurrent equal to 1 plus a by 1 minus r. We use the formula of sum of infinite series, that is a by 1 minus r. Now, putting the value of a and r, we get this term. After calculation, we get this. So our required answer is 410 divided 333. Given 1 by 2x minus 5 plus 1 by 2x minus 5 whole square plus 1 by 2x minus 5 whole cube plus infinite is a series. First question is, find the series if x equal to 4. What is the common ratio of the obtained series? This question is for 2 marks, easy level question. Hard level question, B number. Find the ninth term and the sum of first 10 terms of the series when x equal to 5. This question is for 4 marks. And the last question is very much important. Find the condition which should be imposed on x so that the given series will have a sum up to infinity, and find the sum. This one is also for 4 marks. Now, solution of first question. Here, given series is 1 by 2x minus 5 plus 1 by 2x minus 5 whole square plus 1 by 2x minus 5 whole cube plus infinite. If x equal to 4, putting the value of x in here, we get this term. And after calculating this term, we get the terms will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube plus such way. Therefore, common ratio equal to any term, we take the second term divided the previous term, that is second term divided first term, and after calculation we get 1 by 3. So our common ratio is 1 by 3, and it is our required answer. Now for question number B, if x equal to 5, now putting value of x is equal to 5 in given expression, we will get this, and after calculation we get 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube plus such way. Here first term a equal to 1 by 5 and common ratio equal to r equal to second term divided first term, that is 1 by 5 square divided by 1 by 5, and we get 1 by 5. So common ratio equal to 1 by 5. We know n term of this geometric series equal to a r to the power n minus 1. This is n term of a geometric series. So therefore ninth term equal to putting the value of a and r and also n equal to 9. So we get 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 to the power n minus 1, that is n equal to 9. So 9 minus 1. We get 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 to the power 8. That is 1 by 5 to the power 9. It's our required answer. Again, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is n equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r when r is less than 1. You all know this formula. Therefore, sum of first 10 terms is 10 equal to putting the value of a, r and n, we get 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 5 to the power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 5. Now calculation. After calculation we get 5 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 4 into 5 to the power n, that is 10. So our required answer is sum of first 10 terms will be 5 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 4 into 5 to the power 10. Dear cadets, I think you all understand this. Now question number C, and this question is very important for your exam, and you will see many questions is similar to this. Given first term of the series a equal to 1 by 2x minus 5, common ratio r equal to 1 by 2x minus 5 whole square divided by 1 by 2x minus 5, that is any term divided by the previous term, and we take second term divided by first term. Therefore common ratio r equal to 1 by 2x minus 5. Sum to infinity of the series will exist if modulus of r less than 1, and I discussed it earlier. That is value of r equal to 1 by 2x minus 5. Therefore modulus of 1 by 2x minus 5 less than 1. Therefore 1 by 2x minus 5 less than 1, taking the positive part, or by invertendo, if we reverse it, the sign of inequality will be changed. Therefore 1 by 2x minus 5 less than 1 is turned into 2x minus 5 greater than 1. These two lines is important to understand. Now 2x minus 5 plus 1, 2x minus 5 plus 5 is greater than 1 plus 5. Adding 5 in both sides, we get 2x is greater than 6. Therefore, x is greater than 3. Again, taking the negative part, 2x 1 by 2x minus 5 is greater than minus 1. Similarly, by if we inverse it or we reverse it, we'll get 2x minus 5 less than minus 1. Sign of inequality will be changed. Or adding 5 in both sides, we get 2x minus 5 plus 5 less than minus 1 plus 5. Or 2x is less than 4. Therefore, x is less than 2. Therefore, our record condition is x is greater than 3 or x is less than 2, and it's a record answer. Dear cadets, you must understand it or you must practice it for several times. This type of question is important for your board question and board examination. So what is the condition? Condition is x is greater than 3 or x is less than 2. Now dear cadets, for your homework, first question, sum of three consequent terms of a geometric series is these two terms. First question, construct two equations based on the given information. Second question, determine the first term and the common ratio. Third question is, if the common ratio is 1 by 5, then determine the sum to infinity of the series. Second question, this is a creative question. This is also important. 1 by 2x plus 1, 1 by 2x plus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 whole cube plus etc. is an infinite geometric series. First question, if x equal to 1, then determine the common ratio of the series. If x equal to 3 by 2, then determine the fifth term and sum up to the 10th term of the series. Third question, if the series has sum to infinity, then what condition should be imposed upon x? Determine the sum. Dear cadets, I discussed this type of creative question earlier. So you must try this two creative question carefully. Dear cadets, if you have any query or any question, you can ask me through comment section and I will answer it. Now, for the last time, dear cadets, be aware of coronavirus and stay home and remain safe. I think very soon we'll meet in Cadet College. Till then, stay home and keep well. Thank you.